The Canon imageRUNNER 2630i displays the error indicates a startup failure in the main controller system. The main controller PCB manages the machine's will help identify the cause and restore normal operation. While the Flash PCB stores essential system data. A fault in either component can prevent the machine from starting normally. The E617-9999 error indicates a startup failure in the main controller system. The main controller PCB manages the machine's core functions, while the Flash PCB stores essential system data. A fault in either component can prevent the machine from starting normally. To resolve the problem permanently, the faulty main controller PCB and Flash PCB will be replaced.
نه اگه میدونه که هیچ مربوط نیست ماشین به چی جمله اولش با دومش هیچ سر نمیده نه فعل و فاعلش هیچ برابر نیست غیر منتظره و یک چیز میگه.
This is the Flash PCB, which stores essential system data required for the machine to start and operate properly.
Stop. This is very new. This is very new. نيره چی میگه؟
اینه ماشون یهی امو کلی پروگراماش نمیجاست کو؟
چی نمیشه است؟
امو میتره بیا کلبانش هم
ایسی درایورش است. دیدی؟
سیس؟ Means binding? No, very nice.
یک مشوره خوب داری بعد از سالها.
این ماست خدمت
خلیفه اصلی
یک رفته بود پرینتر دم و نیم تولده بود پرینتر وقت برده بود خراب ما رفتم در کار خود دی یا دیگه وقت ها؟
امروز زیاد دقیق نگه که بسیار سخت بخوره
آره
صفر
آه نگرد
یک صفر صفر شش
اگه بازم فصل من سنین تو رفته زیاد که میدمود بشه 4-5 سال دیگه اوه بخدا
خلاص
آه
Reconnect the power cable and turn on the printer. Wait until the machine completes startup and is ready to use. The printer has started successfully and is ready to use. Now let's perform a test to confirm that everything is working properly. The E617-9999 error has been successfully resolved, and the Canon imageRUNNER 2630i is now operating normally. After replacing the main controller PCB and Flash PCB, the machine completed startup successfully and passed the final test. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more printer repair and maintenance tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.